Hello students, today we are going to start a new programming language, that is QBasic. QBasic is mainly meant for the children from 6 to 8 and it is the first step towards learning of the programming language. So now we are going to start with some basic features of QBasic. Some basic features of QBasic. First of all, it's a very user-friendly language. The syntax of the statement is very simple. Syntax in the sense, what is syntax? Just like whenever we are writing the English paragraph, some English writing, documentation, then the grammar is, in the case of QBasic, the grammatical errors are known as syntax. It provides a Windows-based platform for writing the programs. It's a very user-friendly language and it's a compiler-based programs. But nowadays, children, some of the QBasic programs are coming with the 64-bit. It is compiler as well as interpreter based also. Debugging means the finding of errors and removing it can be easily done. And it does not require the line number like the normal basic language. We need not to write down 10, 20, 30, 40. Before writing down the programs, we need not write down the line numbers. And it can work with the numeric as well as non-numeric data also. Some basic elements of QBasic are character sets, operators and expressions, constants and variables. Today we are going to explain character sets and operators and expressions, because constants and variable part I have already made a video for it. Now, what are character sets? Character sets are used for entering the data items. Basically, there are three types of character sets: alphabets, numbers and special characters. Alphabets में जैसे कि all the alphabets, that is 26 alphabets from A to Z, capital A to Z and small letter A to Z are included. And in numbers, we all know the numbers are from 0 to 9 and a combination of all these numbers like 90, 19, 29, they all are included. स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स में जैसे कि आपके क्वेश्चन मार्क, कॉमा, सेमी कॉलन, कोलन, डॉलर सिंबल, परसेंटेज सिंबल, डबल कोट, सिंगल कोट, हैश, एस्टरिक, स्लैश, quotation mark, these all the things comes under the special characters. So we can say we can write the QBasic language in either the uppercase as well as the lowercase. Now coming to the operators and expressions. What are operators and what are expressions? Operators होते हैं symbols जो कि हम programming language में use करते हैं and it acts on different data items जिनको हम operands कहते हैं. Operators में arithmetical operators होते हैं जो mathematically use होते हैं. Relational operator stands for जो relation को show करते हैं, greater than, smaller than, less than, equal to. और conditional operator means based on a particular condition. जिस तरह की भी कंडीशन है, और, एंड, नॉट, ये कंडीशन पे यूज्ड होते हैं. सो देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ बेसिकली ऑपरेटर्स. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द arithmetical operators. Now here are the arithmetical operators which are used in the QBasic program. Now addition. The symbol for addition is just like your simple mathematical symbol, that is a plus symbol. Subtraction is also the same as your minus symbol. We use generally in the case of minus or subtraction. Multiplication, here it is in the form of an asterisk. Division is in the form of a front slash, forward slash we can say. Exponent is in the form of a caret symbol which means raised to the power. And bracket stands for maths के जो first parenthesis symbol होते हैं, first bracket, the same is being used in the arithmetical operator. So arithmetical operators are very important in QBasic. इसी के बेसिस पे हम जितने भी एडिशन कैलकुलेशंस होते हैं, जितने भी एक्सरसाइजेज हैं, अगर उनको हमें arithmetical फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, then we are going to take the use of these operators only. Coming to the relational operators. Relational operators, the basic symbols are same as that in the maths. जैसे less than symbol, less, it is like less than only. Greater than is also like greater than. Less than or equal to is more or less like the maths. Greater than or equal to symbol, you can easily find it out. Equal to is as same as in the maths. But in the case of not equals to, the symbol is quite different. Okay, children. So these are some of the relational operators. So while doing the program, these operators are going to be in use. So we have to learn or understand and keep it in mind that what type of operators should be used while doing the program based on conditional statements and other type of programs. Coming to the logical operators. Logical operators are of three types: and, or, and not. Now in the format also in the QBasic I have mentioned in the slide, and I am going to give you the example for this also. See here, if the value of A is 10, B is 8 and C is 5. Just understand this thing. If the value of A is 10, B is 8 and C is 5. So in the case of AND operator, is A equals to B? The value of A is 10, B is 8. So obviously it is not true. AND means both the conditions should be true. The same in the case with English. In the English also, whenever we are using the AND operator, then both the conditions should be true. So here the value of A is 10, B is 8. So obviously A is not equals to B. Again, means the first condition is not true. Now coming to the second condition, that is B equals to C. B is 8 and C equals to 5. So obviously both the conditions are not true. So the result will be coming out to be false. Okay. Now coming to the or part. Or means either of the condition should be true. एक कंडीशन ट्रू होनी चाहिए और दूसरी फॉल्स. मीन्स दोनों में से एक कंडीशन ट्रू होनी चाहिए. A इज इक्वल्स टू बी? नो, बिकॉज द वैल्यू ऑफ A इज 10 और B की वैल्यू क्या है? 8. तो A इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू B. Now this condition is false, but the other condition should at least be true. B equals to C. B की वैल्यू क्या है? 8 और C की वैल्यू क्या है? 5. तो 8 is not equals to 5. Here also both the conditions are false. Both the conditions are not true. Means और में दोनों में से एक condition true होनी ही चाहिए. So here the result will be false. Now coming to the not operator. Not means none of the condition should be true. Not A is not equals to B. Obviously A की वैल्यू 10 है, B की वैल्यू क्या है? 8. तो A is not equals to B. So this condition is true. Means not A is not equals to B. So here the result will be coming out to be true. I hope this logical part is clear to you, and the rest of the part I have already covered in the new video. Till then, thank you and take care.